Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm pretty excited to be able to share with you guys a lot of pretty affordable hair care products that you can get at the drugstore. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys would know that my hair used to be blonde. I had blonde hair for probably about 3 years or so. It took me a while to finally decide to want to get my hair healthy and long. I want to grow out my hair, and I knew that having blonde hair was just not gonna help me out. I finally went brunette and I'm loving it. My hair is so much healthier. It's growing. I wanted to share with you guys a lot of products that I picked up at the drugstore that I've been loving, and it's been making my hair feel amazing. The first product that I want to share with you guys is the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. So this one says revitalizing hair reconstructor for dry and damaged hair, and this is what it looks like. So this one I got from Sally's, and I can't remember if it was around $20 or $30 or so, but honestly it's a pretty giant little tub. It is a 16 fluid ounce. I know it sounds a little bit pricey. This is the most expensive product that, or hair, product that I'm going to show you guys, and I think it's well worth it because I want to say I use it about once a week or so, and I would just leave it on in the shower while you're shaving, and then you wash it out, and I kid you not, your hair feels so hydrated and it smells really good. And I really think this is probably key that, helped out my hair so much to get that shine back after bleaching it. Another product that I want to talk to you guys about is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. So this one is in the coconut and exotic tropical scent. And I've tried many other dry shampoos, and I kid you not, I don't know if it's just my hair. My scalp is extremely greasy, so I have to wash my hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. Now that I've been going to the gym, I have to wash it at least 3 times a week. And there's no exceptions because my hair literally just, it's a grease ball. But I've tried other ones, and the way that the other ones make my scalp feel after oily hair is just disgusting. It does not feel clean, and with this it feels clean. My hair right now is 2-3 days old now, and it still looks pretty good. It does not look oily, and it's this baby right here. I kid you not, it's this baby right here. I love it. Well, how much is this? Like $5 or $6, but I've tried other ones and the other ones don't work as well. Now we're going to talk about the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil. So this one has avocado and different types of oils. So this one has a tiny little pump. Put this on straight out of the shower when my hair is damp. I put some on my palm, and I put it on probably from halfway through the ends of my hair, just because I don't want to create that additional oiliness on my head, on my scalp. But it works magically. I don't even know how to describe this. So this is not like your typical oil. It's more like it's like a gel. It feels like a gel because it's thicker, but it gives you that hydration, and it just works amazing. Pick this up. I think it's like $4 or $5, and I got this at Target. So you need this. This is amazing. The next one, it's another Aussie product, and honestly, I love Aussie products. I have multiple Aussie products. I use the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm not showing in this video, but I think it's the moisture one. Works amazing. That's what I've been using on my hair. But this one, it's actually the Total Miracle Detangling Spray. So ever since I can remember, my hair has been really, really tangly. I don't know what it is, but if you guys have tangly hair, if tangly is a word, I don't know if tangly is a word, but you know what I mean. If you guys have hair that gets tangled really fast, let me know what you guys use, but this seems to work really well. This is what it looks like. This seems to work really well. By the way, this has apricot and macadamia oil also, so I spray this on my damp hair out of the shower, spray this on. And along with this, I like to use my wet brush. This I'm pretty sure I ordered off of Amazon. I don't know what it is about this brush. It's made for detangling. I don't know, it's just the way that it's kind of formed. But when my hair is wet, obviously that's why they call it the wet brush. And I think with the help of this guy also, but I brush it out and it does not hurt my head. it just detangles like nothing else. So I love this stuff. Along with other leave-in conditioners, I also like this Garnier one. This one I'm pretty much done. I don't know if you can see, but this one is the Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner. So this one you put on after the shower. This I like to put in the shower and then wash it out. This you don't wash out, you just leave it in there and you just brush your hair out with every other product that you have. This is awesome. It smells good, and I think it does what it says. It obviously has different types of oils, so argan oil, Moroccan oil. It says for frizzy, dry, and unmanageable hair. Up to 3 days sleek. I think this works amazing. As far as hairspray, another one of the Aussie products. So this one, I love the way their Aussie products smell. They all smell super good. And I don't like my hair to be too like crunchy feeling. So I spray a little bit of this, or even just to hold my curls, and it works great. I have no complaints there. Also, I have the L'Oreal Paris Sleekit Iron Straight Heat Spray. So this one's a heat protector for up to 450 degrees. This one I like to spray when I am gonna blow dry my hair. And speaking of blow drying your hair, this is another product that I want to tell you guys about that I feel like every girl needs, or everybody needs, honestly. So this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. I probably bought it over a year ago at Target. So I can definitely give you guys good feedback on it because I've used it for a long time. But I bought it at Target for $59.99, and it's meant to blow dry your hair as well as brushing it out. So use it on wet hair, don't use it on dry hair, because I found that on dry hair it just does not work the same. But on wet hair for sure. I don't know how you normally blow dry your hair, but I like to section my hair and then go with this after I put on some of the hair care products. I brush it out, and it does kind of give you a little, you know, little thing at the end. It works amazing. It has only 3 settings, so it has the cool, low, and the high. That's pretty much it, and you kind of control it on the bottom. Other than that, it does get really hot. I blow dry my hair with this thing. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of hair, but I do blow dry it, and it looks great in like 10 or 15 minutes. And every time I blow dry it with this, somebody always asks how I got my hair like that, how I did a blowout. So if you want an at-home blowout, this is the way to get it. $60. I know it sounds a little pricey, but it's well worth the way that it's gonna make your hair look. So I used it like 2 or 3 days ago. I did that, and it still looks pretty good, and this is 3 days later. But when you first do it, you can even get the volume on your head. Now it's been several days, so it's kind of flat on the top. But when you just do it, you can get in there and get the volume in. Just make sure you get on the root. We also have the L'Oreal Paris Blow It Dry Quick Dry Primer Spray. This one says it cuts dry time and heat protection. So this also seems to help when I use hot tools like this. I find that it really does cut the time in half, and that's probably why my hair dries pretty fast. Honestly, all these products are pretty affordable, and they all work really, really great. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I use the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer, because you guys will see how amazing this thing is. Wait till it goes on sale if you guys are planning on getting it also, because I did see it on sale. I want to say I saw it at, I don't remember if it was Ulta or if it was on Amazon. I don't remember, but they sell this everywhere. And point is, it retails for $59.99, and I want to say it was either $29.99 or $39.99. It went on a really, really good sale. It comes in black and pink, and the other one comes in like a mint blue. And I think it was a mint blue one that went on sale, but I honestly don't care about the color, even though my favorite color is pink, but I don't care. I would have got the other one if I would have saved the extra money. I was pretty pissed that I saw it for that much, but I did tell everybody that I know, all my friends, that they needed it, and several of them got it and they love it. So if you want an at-home blowout, I'm telling you right now, you need this. Thank me later. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for all the products. I didn't want to make this video too long. I think I pretty much went over everything. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section. But if you guys do try any of this out, let me know how it worked out for you. And yeah, let me know any other videos you guys want to see. I am going to be bringing a lot more Trader Joe's hauls since I shop there all the time. And I want to share with you guys everything that I get. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And let me know that you enjoyed it. So giving the video a thumbs up allows YouTube to share my video out to people so people can see it. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.